Hello and welcome to MultiTeach. In this tutorial, I will provide an overview of the Snowflake MultiTeach Nodes app, and then show how to use its features to create a content-rich concept map. Teachers can use nodes to provide interactive educational experiences that can be accessed by 2 or more students at a time. Each node supports the import and presentation of pictures, videos, and PDF files. This is an example of a brochure from the Sarasota Bay Estuary program. Note: PDFs can be used to support close reading activities using the Annotate feature in Nodes and also in the Media app in split screen. As you can see here, informational text can be added to each node. Students can use nodes collaboratively for brainstorming ideas with digital content and text, explore the relationships between concepts, and create their own nodes projects and presentations. Nodes projects can become quite large, so when the app is in presentation mode, you can use the search feature to find what you need. To activate the search feature, select the icon from the side menu. This opens up a box that contains the labels for all of the parent and child nodes for the project. You can scroll to the desired label or enter the label in the search box. Select it and the node will immediately appear, providing quick access to content. Here, I'll review how to access videos and online resources in nodes. New nodes can be created with videos and resource links. Here is a YouTube video about sea turtles. Embedded links to rich educational content can serve as a way to quickly access information during interactive class discussions. Here is a resource for the study of estuaries. Embedded links can serve as a web quest when the display is used as a learning station. Use the side menu and select Close App to close the browser. Here, I'll demonstrate how a node can link to related lessons from the MultiTeach Lessons Community. This node contains handy descriptions for each lesson. Selecting a lesson will lead to its description on the MultiTeach Lessons Community. Select Download and the lesson automatically will open in full screen. Use the side menu and select Close App to close the lesson. Use the side menu and select Close App to close the browser, and return to the Nodes project. Nodes is especially engaging when paired with various types of lessons apps, using the Snowflake MultiTeach Zones feature. This is an example of a drop lesson app designed to reinforce concepts presented in this Nodes project. Students can work in each zone simultaneously, in pairs or small groups. This example shows the Scramble Lesson app with vocabulary words presented in the Nodes project, aligned with curriculum objectives. In this segment, I'll go over how to create a basic Nodes project. To access the Nodes app, select its icon from the MultiTeach Tools menu. When the screen opens, you'll see the Edit Mode interface on the left side of the screen. For this overview, I will load a previously prepared Nodes project. This will open up a file browser where I will select the project. In Edit Mode, you can toggle the green button to the left to set the project to presentation mode. The Manage Project menu can be used to create, load, and save a project. All other options are disabled. In presentation mode, students can explore content. To move a node, select and drag it. Tapping a node in this mode will open or close it. Let's take a look at the Edit Mode window. When it is active, you can create new nodes, label them, set node background colors, add and edit digital content such as pictures and video clips, make connections between nodes, delete items, and browse for screen backgrounds. Create new nodes by dragging an empty node out onto the canvas. This will automatically activate the naming feature. Type in the name for the node. Select any of the 5 colors to change the color of the currently selected node. When Edit Content is activated, make sure the Node Content window is open. to access the node's editing content features. Add Media will let you browse for an image, video, or PDF to add. Add Text will open up a text input field that lets you type in text. Pressing Enter will add that text as a block in the Node content window. To edit items in the content window, tap or select the content block, which will open up a small menu to the side of it. This menu can be used to move the content position up and down. You can also edit text content by pressing the pen icon, opening the text entry box, as shown here. Connections between nodes are a way to explore the relationships between concepts and ideas. Here, I'll demonstrate how connections are made in a node's project. In the Edit Mode window, select the Connections button. To create a connection from a selected mode, press the icon at the bottom of the node. This will generate a floating connection that you can drag to a valid parent node. Parent nodes can be identified by a small connector icon in the upper left-hand corner. This will make the selected node a child to the parent. To remove a connection, select the child node, then press the icon at the bottom of the node, and drag a new line from that spot. The first connection line will disappear as a new connection line appears. Dropping the new connection on the node that is being connected will restore any previous connections. To separate a child node from the parent, drop the connection to the canvas. Selecting Delete will open up a dialog window confirming the removal of the currently selected node. Selecting Yes will remove the node. Selecting No will close the dialog. Deleting a node that has hidden children will delete those children as well. Selecting Browse Background will open up a file browser. Use this to browse for an image to set as the background for this project. As mentioned before, in the Manage Project section, you can create a new project, save an existing one, or load a previous project. New will open up a dialog window asking if the user really wants to create a new project. Choosing Yes will clear everything and give you a new canvas to work on. Choosing No will close the dialog window and you can keep working on the current project. Save will open a file browser where you can choose a project name and where to save it. Nodes will create a folder with the same name as the project in the given location. When you have selected a location, select Save in the bottom of the file browser. Select Cancel will close the file browser and nothing will be saved. Load will open to a file browser where you can select one of your previously created projects to load into Nodes. This has been an introduction to the Nodes app in Snowflake MultiTeach. For more information, visit these links.